my channel. I am so sorry this is a week late, or depending how you look at it, several months late. I'm actually planning for the week of July the 27th to the August 2nd. I know, absolutely horribly late. As I said in the last video, it's been crazy. This was actually taped last week. It's basically at this point memory planner, because I've gone back and forth between digital planning, and I've kind of been scribbling, and I ended up using my bullet journal. So that's what I'm using. And then I found this really super freaking cute kit. And this is from Pretty Cute Planner. And this is called Tropical Summer. And now I just wanted something that was a no frills kit that I can boom, write things down and be done with it. But after when I was done putting all the elements down, the washi, the full boxes, the checklist, and the glitter headers, it is a great, fantastic kit. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely amazing. I highly recommend this cute shop, and it's on Etsy, so I'll definitely link them down below. But oh my gosh, I just noticed how bad my nail polish is. I am so sorry. I think I went swimming the day before and it completely obliterated them. So I'm sorry you have to see that horrible thing. But going back to it, this shop is absolutely beautiful, and they've got so many different sizes of printable weekly kits. I highly recommend you get them. So as you can see in this particular kit, it came with 3 pages, kind of, 2 left, I don't know how to say it, 2 pages and then like a half page worth of stickers, and actually all of that fits on one printable page, so you're not actually wasting anything. And I used almost the entire kit except for the quarter boxes, which I easily could have used them when I went back to it, even though I love the way that this turned out. And that's definitely part of the design and the way she's done it, and of course the clip art. But everything about this kit was fantastic and amazing, and I loved it. I easily could have gone in and used those quarter boxes in different styles. But like I said, this week I just wanted to be super quick. I did not want to add any character stickers. As I said, my style has changed slightly. I've gone and just write things down as I'm scribbling that in my bullet journal. And this kind of was a similar reflection, but this also reignited my love for stickers. So I had decided I needed to go in, and I have purchased some more weekly kits, of course, not just for the Print Impressions weeks, but I have gone into getting some more rings. I've got an A6 coming on the way, as well as a cover for my A5 bullet journal, and both of those are some Moterm, and I'm super excited for that. I'm hoping that they come this week, but you never know, especially considering if you don't know, it is lockdown again coming from Thursday, and I have to admit, I don't mind, but that limits some things I can do, like going to the gym. I've actually not done a lot of shopping aside from grocery shopping, but I do enjoy grocery shopping. But for those who generally go out, I'm sure this is a shock for you, and I'm truly sorry that you're having to go through this. It's actually heartbreaking how high our numbers are, and I just hope every single one of you who is listening to me stay safe. That's all we can do, is do our part for ourselves and our family, our loved ones, and for those around us, even those we don't know. So if you do go out, whether it's between now, Thursday, or until we get out of this lockdown, supposedly December 2nd, or longer, even though they're already speculating a longer one, be safe. Use your mask. Use your antibacterial. Keep distance. Do not go into someone's personal space. Even before lockdown, even before all of this, nobody liked to have you breathe on their neck. So let's keep that space. And I just realized there's quite a bit of space here. And I know why, because I went to get myself some coffee. I forgot to pause it. But I've talked, so let's keep that in. I'm using a Muji gel pen, and I just happened to grab it. I don't know which size it is, but by the looks of it, I think it's the 0.5. But it's a really great pen, although I have been enjoying some regular ballpoints again. And that's what I'm using in my bullet journal. I do write generally big. So ballpoints are insane for me. I love it. But here is me finishing off the writing in this particular kit, and that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.